What's going on, everybody? You already see what the title is. We running Tres Leches cake back, but this time we're making a strawberry Tres Leches. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Last time when I made that Tres Leches cake, I absolutely loved it, and I've been craving it again. But I said this time, you know what? Let me switch it up, and we're gonna do a strawberry cake version of it. Super easy, super simple, super delicious. So let's go ahead and get into the ingredients and get to mixing up our cake batter. And the batter for our strawberry cake mix is gonna be very simple, nothing complicated. We're gonna use good old box strawberry cake mix, Duncan Hines. Hey, y'all know I love Duncan Hines to death. Like, I love Duncan Hines. So let's go ahead and get this box cake mix in. And remember, I do got a video on how to make box cake mix good. For this recipe, I'm using 2 boxes of cake mix. That's because I'm using a big square cake pan. But regular recipe, you would just use 1 box of cake mix, and you would use either 2 8-inch or 2 9-inch pans or a 9x13 long pan. Strawberry jello, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of oil, 6 eggs, and about a good cup of chopped strawberries. Yeah, we're gonna get strawberries all throughout this cake. Drop down the top, lock it in, and now let's mix. Let's get it going so it don't splash everywhere. There we go. That's something that I usually do sometimes when I'm mixing my cake batters. I'll pulse it till I get it started, because if I just straight up just cut it on, I don't know if anybody else has been through this, cake batter will fly everywhere. Cake mix all mixed up. I got my prepared baking pan right here. And like I said, this is a 12x12 square baking pan. That's why I did double the batter. Go ahead and start pouring this in. Now let's knock out any air bubbles. Good old tapping, shaking, and now this is going into a 350-degree oven. So next in our skillet, we're going to take some half-sliced strawberries and just go ahead and dump those on in. Take some water, dump that in as well. We are about to get ready to make a strawberry glaze. Put in some sugar as well. We're just gonna stir these around. We are gonna let this cook down for a few minutes. And then once that gets done, we're gonna add in a cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. So it's gonna cook down. Now what we are gonna do is we're gonna start slowly adding in this cornstarch slurry. This is gonna help thicken it up. I'm gonna cut this off because now it is time to process this and turn it into a glaze. Okay, got my food processor out. Let's go ahead and start pouring in this strawberry mixture. Telling y'all, food processor, hey, it's golden to have. And now you can blend this on low, high, or pulse, but to like really get it mixed in, a good high pulse, well, high blend. All it takes is a few seconds. 1 strawberry glaze, all done. Now it's just time for this to cool down. So we're gonna pour this into a separate container, and then we'll get back to it later on. Cake is now out the oven. As you can see, it is nice and cooked. So now we are gonna let this cool. We're gonna let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna flip it out the pan to finish cooling. And then of course, you know, with Tres Leches, we're gonna end up putting this back inside the pan. Of course, you know, I'm gonna clean out the pan and everything. So let's go ahead and get this cool. And while this is cooling, let's go ahead and work on our Tres Leches mixture. As you all know, Tres Leches stands for 3 milks. And those 3 milks are evaporated milk, heavy cream, and sweetened condensed milk. Come on out. Got some vanilla bean paste. Add in a little bit of that. That's enough right there. And now just give it a good stir. You gotta really break up that sweetened condensed milk. There we go. Now let's set this to the side. And our cake should be done cooling, and we can go ahead and start pouring this all over the cake. And with the cake all cooled down now, all we're simply gonna do is just start stabbing holes within the cake. With holes poked, you now take your Tres Leches mix and you just start pouring it all over the cake. Pour it around the edges because you want this to get soaked up on the sides of the cake as well. And once you're done pouring your tres leches mixture, we're just gonna cover this up and we're gonna let it soak for a few more hours to truly absorb it all into the cake. And while this is sitting, absorbing all this tres leches, let's work on our whipped topping. For our whipped topping, we're gonna do heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, some more vanilla bean paste. And now using the whisk attachment, drop it on in and let it rip on medium speed until stiff peaks form. Once all done mixing, this is how it's gonna look, nice and thick. Use the whisk to go ahead and get any that's like remaining at the bottom. But nice stiff peaks, nice and thick. As you can see, look at that. Got the vanilla bean all throughout it. Now that this is done, let's go ahead and top this with our cake and then we can start cutting into a slice. Okay, our cake has been sitting for a while. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. And as you can see, that tres leches just done soaked all into the cake. And now let's take some of our whipped topping. We're just gonna start spreading it on top of the cake. Take your spatula and just start spreading it around. And as you can see, I spread it out kind of evenly. So now let's go ahead, cut out a slice, and we can start decorating with the glaze and strawberries on top. And this strawberry tres leches cake is gonna be all done. I think I see the corner that I want right here. Let's go ahead. And hopefully I can get this out pretty enough. Come on now, it's getting soft because of that tres leches. There we go. And y'all look at that. Y'all see this? That tres leches just soaked all throughout the cake. And this whipped topping on top. This looks, ooh, let me go ahead and put this on the plate real quick. Go ahead and plate that on up right there. Now all we're gonna do is we're just gonna go back and forth across the top with our strawberry glaze. Just like that. Now these strawberries, just gonna place some, no! And now these strawberries, just gonna place them on top, just like this. And of course a mishap happens with me, y'all. It never fails. We are just gonna give this a small pour around the cake. A controlled small pour. And there you have it, one strawberry tres leches cake. Look at this, y'all. What do y'all think about that? This looks absolutely amazing. So now let's go ahead and dig into this. I cannot wait to try this. This looks great. And here we are at the end of the video, everyone. Like I said, the strawberry tres leches. I just want to dig into this so badly right now, which I can't wait. So let's go ahead and dig into it. Go ahead and do that first break of the bite. Come on, scoop that up so that you can see. Now this is good. This is, oh, that deep strawberry flavor, that tres leches milk just sitting all throughout the cake. This strawberry glaze, the fresh strawberries on top. This whipped topping that is not too sweet, that has just the right amount of sweetness, is setting this cake off, right? A simple yet delicious cake that is packed full of flavor that you just can't resist. Like, you bring that cake to anyone, they gonna love it. Well, all right, everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and if you still aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. You know, click the little bell up top. It'll let you know every time that I post. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you make it, tag me on social media, let me know. I thank you all for tuning in. Peace, and I love you all.